Come, Papa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you are definitely the real OG. We are ready to go out. You can see the face is bit. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So we are ready to go out to run errands. This is the outfit of the day. I'm also wearing a denim jeans at the bottom. I'll see if I'll get a picture of it. I'll attach here, or if I can get someone to take me a video, I'll definitely show you the outfit of the day. So are you vacationing in Mtwapa or in Mombasa and its environments, and you don't have activities to do while around here apart from maybe swimming? Come along with me as I go to show you places that you can go to as a tourist, or even if you have stayed here and you've never been around this place, come with me. So for instance, if you're staying in Bamburi and you want to go to, we are heading to Hala Park. If you want to go to Hala Park, it is just 30 bob to the city mall. And it is actually very near, or just 20 bob. There is an entry close to Bamburi. You just enter via that. But if you're coming from Mtwapa, I think it will be 70 or 100 shillings. If you're coming from a town in Mombasa, it will be 100 or 70 shillings, depending on what time you are traveling. So the weather quite recently has been rainy, and it has been very hard for many people who are vacationing to actually enjoy their vacation time. But on some days, the rain subsides, so you can just look at the weather and decide what time are you going to go out, because it rains, but at some point the rain subsides and the sun is out again, like on this particular day. I'm pretty sure kuna matope. You know this. I'm pretty sure kuna matope. You know this is nature. They are very scary.
Yeah, okay. You need to be light.
But it's a black. It's darker.
Not clear. Because you're sleeping on the floor, on the hard ground. You sleep on your carpet.
Yeah, ile yenye imeconvertiwa, like just alone.
You're telling me this is the only way out? It's like a rock.
Yeah. Really? Hi. Machake ina nini? Are you sure it's alive? Yo. So this place is ideal for nature walks. If you love nature walks, come burn your calories here. The only downside to it is the fact that there are so many mosquitoes which spread dengue fever. So put on protective clothing, or put on a mosquito repellent. So most of the trees in this park are quite old, older than most of us actually. And then it has several animals that includes the snake, the tortoise, the giraffes. There's so many, the dick-dicks. I didn't know it has this massive number of animals. The last time I was here, I never got to see the hippopotamus. I never got to see the dick-dicks. So it is quite a place, and even there are buffaloes. So this side we were going to the area where we have the hippopotamus, and they were very massive. I've never seen such a big hippopotamus. It was just grazing there, minding its own business, while we were very much fascinated by its beauty. Look at it. Just look at it.
Hey, Kenya is very beautiful.
It actually wanted to attack me. Look at its mouth.
Hi. Hello. Angalia kamera.
So this side you'll find ponds that have been set aside for fish.
Really?
Most of them
The
are
monkeys.
full of fish, and I really love the nature. Imagine retiring to a place like this.
When we went,
a woody place, like you just
That's
put
really-
your cabin there,
Actually-
and when you're 50, just sipping coffee, looking at nature. Oh my, like that is what I would like to do when I get old. Just retire to a quiet place full of nature, but no mosquitoes.
hebu nayo picture quality. Ni cute. Acha tuone action.
Bak şimdi hepsi nasıl toplandı. Oo.
Biri mi alacak şimdi bunu?
Hangi alırsan. Bak. Ben seni izleyeceğim. Bak şimdi. Ansız şey yapıyor, anladın mı? Yok öyle şey değil. En hızlı kim bir şey yaparsa. Büyük alır bence.
Hey, this thing is
Bak.
Big.
O da lan. Bak kaç tane var ya.
Dördü oldu. Bilmiyorum yoksa.
Verecek. Allah.
Hakikaten. Ver lan var.
Alması var. Alamaz. O bana var. Vahil yok.
Verse yani.
Allah Allah yapmış.
Ukianguka pa kuna kusurvive.
Allah.
Hizo meno yo. Haiwezi katoka hapo ndani mkuje.
Ya bir tane verilir canım aslında. Buna düşsene. Ya birine verirsin ondan sonra bir daha denersin.
Bizim şansımızda.
Yaşlara.
Ya bu niye yedi diye ağlar, niye yemedi diye ağlar. Ben buna alışmaya çalışıyorum.
Normal.
Başka bir yerde görmedim ben böyle bir varlık. Hava değişir yani.
Hala kızıyor.
İki daha çek bana değil mi?
Gel.
The weather was just perfect. Look at the sun. You wouldn't even imagine that it had been raining the whole day. So people were just there enjoying the sun, looking at the crocs. So we were done with the place. We were heading to our next destination. Make sure you tune in to see what we'll be exploring next. It was really nice here. And on our way, we were able to see are they called dicks or are they antelopes? Whatever they're called. There were so many. And a buffalo had just passed. So come to this place, explore it. Is just next to Bamburi, and if you are coming from Nyali, it is next to City Mall. That's it for today. Please subscribe and like the content.